Your TV screen is dirty. It happens. And cleaning it is a super simple process, but a lot of people actually end up making it worse. And on modern TVs, especially OLED and anti-glare screens, you can leave permanent marks if you get it wrong. So, before you dive in, here's how to clean your TV safely and what to avoid. And if you've got one of these in your hands, then put them down. That's right. Step away from the glass cleaner. Now I know, slightly random video, but as a tech reviewer and TV retailer, we see this all too often. And the single biggest mistake we see people make when cleaning their TV is trying too hard. The golden rule here is less is more, and the only way you can really damage a modern OLED or LCD panel is by reaching for something that you don't need. Right then. Before you get cleaning, turn the TV off and unplug it. First, for safety, but second, it's actually pretty hard to see dust and smudges on a lit screen. A completely black panel is your best friend here. If the TV has been running for a few hours, then give it a few minutes to cool down first, because cleaning a warm panel is a fast route to streaks. Now let's start with the don'ts. No glass cleaner, no alcohol-based cleaners, in fact, no cleaners at all, as these will damage the coating on your screen. Also, no kitchen roll and no tissues. They might seem soft, but at a microscopic level, you're essentially dragging sandpaper across your panel. And those micro scratches will build up over time and dull the picture. Now, the good news is you don't need anything fancy. In fact, in most cases, all you need are a couple of microfiber cloths and a little bit of water. That is it. Less is more. So step 1, remove the dust. For this, we just want to take a clean, dry microfiber cloth and use light pressure and big sweeping motions to just wipe down the whole screen. 9 times out of 10, this is all you need. You can use your phone torch to check for any remaining smudges, and if you do spot any marks still remaining, then move on to step 2. Step 2, fingerprints. Now for this, we want to take a second clean microfiber cloth and lightly mist it with water until it's barely damp. You really don't want it wet. And always spray the cloth, never the screen. If liquid gets into the bezel, then we're looking at a whole new problem. Now, if you've got hard water, then you might want to use distilled water instead, or deionized if you're in the UK, as these avoid any mineral residue on the screen. Gently wipe in circular motions over the marks with light pressure. Then follow it up straight away with a dry microfiber cloth to buff it out. Just make sure you let the TV air dry fully before you plug it back in. Step 3, stubborn marks. If you've got some marks that just aren't shifting, maybe from kids or food, and trust us, we have seen it all, just add a few drops of mild dish soap to your water. This will be for spot cleaning only and not the whole screen, and again, go nice and gently, using as little liquid as possible, and then follow it up again with a dry cloth. You really don't need a lot of soap here. Again, less is more. And one final tip, try to avoid fabric softener when washing your microfiber cloths, as it can leave a waxy residue on the fibers that transfers straight onto the screen, creating the exact kind of smear you were just trying to remove. Just wash them plain, let them air dry, and they'll be good to go again. And that's it. A couple of clean microfiber cloths, a bit of water, and a light touch. No expensive screen cleaning kits needed, and your TV stays looking as good as it should. Now, if you guys did find this video helpful, then you might also like this video or this video. And if you're in the market for a new TV and you want to support us, then head to smarthomesounds.co.uk. We offer a lowest price promise and a 5-year warranty on most TV models. Plus, our team of tech guides are always on hand to help. Hopefully this video has helped, and I will see all of you guys in the next video.